This Week in History. We look back at the devastating European floods of August 2002. What started as days of intense, relentless rain quickly turned into a continent-wide catastrophe. The Elbe and Danube rivers, usually pictures of calm, swelled to unprecedented levels, bursting their banks and engulfing historic cities. In Prague, the Vltava River surged, threatening priceless cultural landmarks. In Dresden, Germany, the Florence on the Elbe residents and emergency crews battled to save their city from the rising tide. The deluge swept across Austria, Germany, and the Czech Republic, causing widespread destruction, displacing hundreds of thousands, and tragically claiming over 100 lives. The event sparked a massive international relief effort and forced a continent to rethink its flood defenses. It was a stark reminder of nature's power and a test of European solidarity in the face of disaster. Thank you for watching.